wan akan dicekak kawan nongkrai dari Pak Peter Sim isu kemen yang dinonkat yang ikimi pagi ini ki men para bahing hasem pastor di barok biron lang ni di luai patung kedak menyenyo ban di bata ya akan ikan restaurant Saint Roma in Cup yang report di also.
This blessing has enabled me to open this restaurant. Without His grace and support, this day would not have been possible. I'm also incredibly thankful to our pastor from my church, Pastor Gabriel Sangma, Pastor Rohit, and Pastor Kirasa, who has graciously spared the time